How to redeem DoorDash promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in DoorDash promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Go ahead and select any of the website. With that, you will land to this kind of page where you can find tons of offers. Now scroll down. Go ahead and select the offer that you are interested in. Click on the option of Show Coupon. So here's the coupon code. You can copy it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the promo code, whether it is valid or not. Once you copy it, click on this option of View Discount at DoorDash. With that, you will be directed to the official website of DoorDash. Now at the top right, you will find the option of Login. Go ahead and click on that option. If you haven't created your account yet, you can sign up. If you do have your account, you can type in your credentials over here, email address and password, and then log into your account. Once you log in, browse through the menu and head towards the item that you want to purchase. Add those items to the cart. Once you are done selecting the items and adding them to the cart, now you have to check out. While checking out, you will find the option of promo code. Over there, paste the promo code. Check all the details of the item and then check out. So this is how you can redeem DoorDash promo code. By applying the same process, you are able to redeem any DoorDash promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.